as we have talked about valves being used as a control element that can adjust the process parameters by changing their opening, let's talk about on-off valves or shutdown valves. Here, we are not talking about a valve with a specific opening, but rather it's a valve that is either fully open or fully closed. So once the parameter reaches a certain value, the shutdown system sends a signal to the valve actuator, which shall either open or close this valve. These are either used to protect the process equipment or personnel against a certain issue that can cause some damage. These valves may be used to stop the flow to protect the downstream equipment. We have seen in a previous video that the example of the shutdown valve of protecting the 150-pound rating system from overpressure, in this case, the valve closed. Sometimes valve may need to be open in order to protect the equipment. For example, if we are having a reactor and it's getting to a runaway reaction, maybe we shall need to increase the cooling water capacity to stop the reaction. So the on-off valve here shall receive a signal to open, and hence the cooling water can protect the system. This can also be seen with blow-down valves. Blow-down valves are used for plant depressurization to flare in case of emergency shutdown. So, depending on the depressurization requirement, we can add a blow-down valve that opens once it receives emergency shutdown signal and sends the whole inventory to flare.